7 websites that pay you to do practically nothing. What's going on, guys? Simon Jordan here, co-founder of Life CEOs, and today I'm going to be showing you 7 websites that pay you to do practically nothing, or at least nothing that you're not already doing. Now, if you're new to this channel and you want to learn how to make money online and build a profitable online business, then you might want to consider dropping a big like and subscribing to the channel so you don't miss any more money-making tutorials on YouTube in the future. Now, although the following 7 websites aren't going to make you rich, there are still loads of people online using these websites to make a couple of $100s every single month, simply by watching videos, surfing the web, clicking on ads, and completing surveys. Now, the first website on our list is Swagbooks. Now, think of Swagbooks as a rewards program that pays you for doing what you probably already do in your spare time online. It's a well-known, trusted site with high traffic volume that offers a ton of ways to make money from your time there. Now, all you have to do is sign up for a free account and complete tasks to earn points or Swagbooks. Now, the exchange rate is 100 Swagbooks for $1, and you can redeem Swagbooks for Amazon gift cards, or you can cash out via PayPal. Swagbooks also offers various different mobile apps you can use to earn anywhere up to $25 a month just from running but not actually watching videos. You can easily make about $1 a day from this, depending on how good the app is. Now, number 2 on the list is a site called Earn Honey. Now, like Swagbooks, Earn Honey gives you money for watching videos, playing games, shopping online, and taking surveys. Now, the first thing you want to do is sign up with your Facebook account. You can make almost $30 a month from just running videos on Earn Honey. The site gives you honey dollars for completing their entertainment activities, which you can redeem for gift cards or cash out via PayPal or direct deposit. The exchange rate is 100 honey dollars for $1, and you can get 5 free honey dollars every day just for logging into your account. So a cool trick would be to actually run Earn Honey at night while you're sleeping. Or if you have a PC or a laptop that you're not using, you could just leave it there and run Earn Honey all day long on that, and you could probably earn anywhere up to $6 a day just by doing that. The site on our list is called Insta Gift Card. Insta Gift Card gives you money for doing tasks, watching videos, taking surveys, and it lets you cash out whenever you want. Simply sign in with your Facebook account. You'll also have to confirm your PayPal and your email before you start earning on the site. Now, to earn the most money possible, you probably want to use as many of these sites as you can at the same time. People like Instant Gift Cards because it has a reputation for being one of the easiest money-making sites, and it has one of the lowest payout minimums. It suggests visiting websites every day on Instant Gift Card to earn a lot of points. It's pretty easy money for doing practically nothing. Now, the 4th website on this list isn't actually a website, but a search engine called Bing. Now, if you're in the US, Bing Rewards will give you money just for searching the web with Bing. You can then redeem your credits for gift cards, Skype credits, apps, movies, and more. If you're not in the US, well, you can just skip this one. So number 5 on our list is a website called Gift Hulk. Now, Gift Hulk is a rewards program that's similar to Swagbooks, except you can cash out via Bitcoin. Before you start earning on Gift Hulk, you're going to have to fill out a survey of about 30 questions. Now, like Swagbooks and Earn Honey, Gift Hulk gives you money for playing games, shopping online, completing surveys, and all that sort of similar stuff. The exchange rate on this site is about 1,000 Hulk coins for $1. Seen users easily make up to $100 in 2 or 3 weeks with Gift Hulk. Number 6 on our list is a website called Cash Crate. Cash Crate is an awesome website that pays really well. So the site has a $20 minimum payout and sends you a check once a month. Cashcrate gives you money for completing surveys, watching videos, and playing games. You can easily make up to $120 a month using Cashcrate. This makes Cashcrate one of the most profitable paid-to websites that I know. And last but not least, number 7 on our list is a website called Prize Rebel. Now with Prize Rebel, you want to start by logging into your email or logging straight in with your Facebook account. And Prize Rebel is another highly recommended pay-to site that seems to pay really well. Prize Rebel pays you money for completing tasks, taking surveys, and watching videos. You can redeem your points for Bitcoin or gift cards, or you can cash out via PayPal or direct deposit. Now, although I haven't used Prize Rebel myself, I have seen Reddit users make over $1,000 in a month using Prize Rebel, so it seems to me one of the best pay-to websites on this list. Alright guys, that's it for me for this video. If I've missed out any sites or you know of any good pay-to sites, just drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear how you guys are making money online using these pay-to sites. And if you haven't already, please give us a like, please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any more Make Money Online videos in the future.